This video demonstrates a REMOGO Remote Starter installation for Keystart Silverado and Sierra vehicles. While the appearance may vary across different years and trims, the installation process is the same for all listed models. Please note, this video is not intended as a substitute for reviewing the installation guide, but as an additional resource. Be sure to read the guide for important information such as required tools, safety precautions, and programming instructions. Let's get started. This installation does not require any vehicle disassembly. The T-harness connects to the BCM located under the driver's side dashboard. The three connectors on the main T-harness plug into the matching colored connectors at the BCM. Some vehicles also require the OST harness. Disconnect the white connector from the BCM and plug the white T-harness connector in line. Disconnect the blue connector from the BCM and plug the blue T-harness connector in line. Disconnect the green connector from the BCM and plug the green T-harness connector in line. For vehicles that require the gray OST harness, disconnect the gray connector from the BCM and connect the OST harness in line. Refer to the OST harness section, available in both the guide and the online reference page, for instructions and requirements related to the OST harness connections. T-harness installation is complete. Use the included zip ties to secure the extra wiring and module in the vehicle. Refer to the guide for programming instructions.